friends, good morning. In the last video we covered date filters in Power BI. Now in this video we are going to learn number filters in Power BI. Before start new topic, we covered some points from the last topic from date filters. For that, first we upload the data. You can find this data file in the description section. You can easily download using the link shared with you in the description section. So this is a sample data for today's assignment. Last video we cover date filters. So one point is remaining in the date filters. That point is custom filters. Using this filter, we can filter both different data types. Suppose first we want to filter date data type. And if I want to filter some text values, just click on OK button and you can see all dates after the date which was selected while applying filter. And here is the use chip, so only it filter swipe option. So this is the point which was remaining in the last video. Now we are going to learn number filters. We see one by one all the option. For that I am going to select interest column and then you have to click on this download arrow. You can see number filters. So here you see it shows filters as per the data type. Here all the data type for this column is number, so it shows number filters. Suppose I'm going to select equals and I'm going to put value 6768.32, exact value which was mentioned in the column. Just click on OK button and it successfully filtered only that value. Clear filter. Next option is does not equal. Again I am going to put same value in the bracket, sorry, in the box. Click on OK button. Except that value, it field shows all the remaining values. Greater than. Suppose I want to filter values greater than 500. Just click on OK button. Now you can see all the values are greater than 500. Similarly, greater than or equal to. For that, I am going to put value 2538.08 greater than or equal to. Just click on OK button and you can see that value 2.38.08 and greater values automatically filter using filter option. Less than 1000. Click on OK. So here is the result. Similarly, we can apply less than or equal to filter, and the last filter is between. Suppose I want to filter the values between 1000 to 2000. Click on OK button, and we have successfully filtered our values. And the main thing which was very important while applying filters, if you want to apply filter on the text column, so here actually our data count is very low, just 52 rows are in our data set. But if you are working on the data whose count is in million or billion, so you have to take one precaution while applying the filters. You can apply a filter using this method also, but actually this is the wrong method. If you enter the values or letters in the box and just click on OK button, so or where might be hang due to this uh, process. So you have to just use the text filters which are available in the text filter option. So please do not enter values into this box and apply OK button. So it will affect overall process, because if you apply or put enter the values in this box, it automatically generate lots of formulas in the background, and Power BI might be hang due to this. So take this one precaution. So we have covered all the filters such as text filters, then we have see date filters, and now in this video we cover number filters. So please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel Jobs at Bunyanagari. Thank you.